Next is going to be the blades. Just bear with me. So I'll do one at a time. These have the screws in them already. Once you get it started, come on. That one's in. We go to the next one. On to the next blade. On to the next one. You just go around until you get them all in. They all have 2 screws each. On to the next one. You guys still there? Okay. Are the camera still there? It stopped me earlier. I don't know what. It's a new camera I got. The DG Action 4. But I'm still learning how to use it. Kind of upgraded from my phone to the DJ4. And so next, I'm going to get is this thing right here. It has a blue and a white one. So the blue one goes, you guys dig through there, and you're gonna find the white one and the black one. Oh no, white and blue. So the white, go with the white, and those just plug in to each other, and then the blue goes with the blue. And then you have screws right here. You want to take those out. So take those out. But the main thing is getting the bracket and the wiring together, and then the other ones you just follow along. Still there, okay. And it has like a slot right here, and you want to put that slot where this level is right here. That controls the up or down speeds, the blade's direction. When it's up, it's for the winter. When it's down, it's for the summer. But I always try to keep it on down, because otherwise you put it on up. It makes a mess on your ceiling. So just a little tip for your friend He-Man. And then on to the next. It's 3 screws. And on to the next. Here's the next. Now I'm going to get the light bulbs, and no, I'm going to twist them. I'm going to put these covers on right here. These ones are just twists. These are from the ceiling fans from Lowe's, so there's no screws there. So they just twist on like a bottle cap. And they're plastic, so they don't break, and then you don't hear the vibration on some of the ceiling fans. Now I'm going to put the light bulbs. Light bulbs next. Here comes the next light bulb. 3 light bulbs. Man, why you shut off? To the next light bulb. There's no way it stops. It blanks out for some reason. I guess you got, it's like a phone, it got like a timer. And here comes the next. Now I'm gonna put the pull strings on it next. And they're just, these ones right here, they just clip on to the chain. And then I'm gonna turn it on. There we go. On, off, the speed swing. And that is how you change a ceiling fan or put a new ceiling fan. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe. And, for you guys that don't know how to put one on, it's very simple. Until next time, so it's first the bracket, then the mortar, then the cover that goes in there, then your blades, and then this part right here that controls the lights, and then you put your light bulbs in your tool chain. That's how you would install a ceiling fan. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be teaching other things that I'll be doing around as an apartment maintenance technician, or if you want to do it for your home. Until next time, peace out from your friendly handyman.